guys, welcome back to Flo's Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make Haitian style empanadas. That's right guys, better known as Pate Kode. Alright, these empanadas will be filled with smoked herring. Okay, and for the Haitians out there, pate sayo, c'est avec Aranso, ma feyo. Okay? Alright. So these are the ingredients you'll need. You'll need some tomato paste, bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. You'll need some boiled sliced eggs, and you'll need some empanada shells. Very simple, easy. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you clean out and drain out the salt out of here. So smoked herring usually come already pre-packaged and very, very salty. So you have to find a way to get out all that salt. Typically I just go ahead and blend it with water, and that usually helps majority of the salt comes out. So here I just put it all in a blender. My blender is pretty powerful, and then I just blend it like so, and then I go ahead and I strain it and it turns out like this. If you taste it, it tastes like cardboard. No flavor, no taste. All right, blend it and strain it, and that's it. So now you want to start off with some olive oil in the pan, just like this, and then you want to go ahead and drop in the smoked herring. Yeah, let it fry up a little bit, just like this, just like this. Yep, you drop in your smoked herring. Now, the reason why I take out all of the salt is because for those of you who don't know about smoked herring, it comes pre-packaged and is extremely salty. So the best way to remove that salt for me is to go ahead and blend it, and then I add the amount of salt that I want. So of course I won't share the full recipe because you know, the way I do it is different from others. I'm just showing you guys the basics. So I do put in my secret ingredients in it, but this is the basic. So you want to go ahead and put in your bell peppers and your scotch bonnet pepper. You want to put in the tomato paste. The tomato paste is for it to have a nice color. And then you let it fry up just like so, guys. All right. Very simple, very easy. I know a lot of you been asking on Instagram to share. A lot of people inbox me to show how to make this pate kode. I don't mind sharing. I mean, it is what it is. If y'all go ahead and sell it, that's good. Share the video because your sis needs some views, and that's just how that's gonna go. All right, so now it's time to assemble. See how beautiful that first empanada was? All right, so now I'm going in. I'm splitting this, spreading it in half, and then I added a little water around the edges because this will help when it's time to close it. And then you want to just scoop a little bit out, put it on there. Now a tip is to make sure that whatever filling that you put in your empanadas, it's not saucy or too watery. Okay guys, you want to make sure, even if you don't make this recipe and you want to fill it in with maybe eggs, eggs and bacon or whatever, you don't want it to be too saucy. Okay, so you just close it up just like so. I'll be showing you guys two different techniques. Close it up, and then you just start folding just like this. You fold, press, fold, press, fold, press, fold, press. Very simple, guys, just like this. Pick it up. Here's a little closer view. Fold, twist, and press. Fold, twist, and press. Fold, twist, and press. Just like this. And then if you have some that's coming out, you just stick it in there. Fold, squeeze, and press. Fold, squeeze, and press. Just like this. And then you close the end by folding it backwards. And then I'm going ahead and doing another one. You put it in the empanada halfway, just like so. And then you drop 1 egg in the middle. Some people like it with eggs, some people don't. It's up to you how you want to do it, okay? And then you go ahead and close it. Squeeze it to make sure that it's sealed, just like so. Yep, just like so. Don't be shy. And then you take a fork and then close it. This will secure it. Now, with these empanadas, you can either fry them or you can put them to bake. And baking them would be at 350. But I fry them because I prefer the way it turns out when it's fried opposed to how it is when it's baked. But for the healthy people out there, you don't have to fry it. I like everything, well, I don't want to say everything, but I like it deep fried, all right? So these are the empanadas, guys. All right, very simple. I'll do one more so you guys can see. You put in the salsa, what am I talking about? You put in the smoked herring, and then you put in the egg. You close it up just like this. You squeeze the ends, just like this. There you go, just like this, guys. And then you close it, just like so. And then you drop it in the grease to fry. It usually fries for about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Will get it to a nice golden brown color. And then that's about it. You let it cool off and then you cook it. I'm saying you cook it. You eat it. You let it cool off for a little bit and you can eat it. You can serve it with a special sauce. You can eat it with pickles for the Haitians out there. And that's it. You see how beautiful that turned out, guys? There you have it. Easy pate kode. All right? Bye. So, guys, if you liked this recipe, don't forget to hit the comment, like, and subscribe button. Please share. Please engage. Bye. Very beautiful.